Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. Now if you're the employee of the VONS and wants to get logged into your account, then this video will help you to get logged into your VONS employee account. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up a web browser on your PC. And there on the URL, search for VONS employee account login. Now from the Google search result, you have to tap on the first link, Employee Resource Center. And then you will end up to the VONS employee portal. Now in order to get logged into your VONS employee account, you have to firstly tap on sign in/opt at the top right of your screen. And then expanded menu will appear on your screen. Now from there you have to tap on the first option, sign in, and then a sign in box will appear on your screen. Now you have to type in the email address and the password of your account. Now if in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget password link. And if you want to confirm your password before moving on, you can tap on show button to reveal and recheck your passwords. And then tap on sign in button to get logged into your VONS employee account. Now if you have forgotten your password or you want to get logged in without a password, then you can tap on this sign in without a password link. And there you have to enter your mobile number or the email address to receive a verification code. And once you're done with typing in your mobile number or the email address, you have to tap on continue button. And then you will receive a verification code either on your mobile or as an email. Then you have to just type in that verification code and then you will be successfully get logged into your VONS account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your VONS employee account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for today and I will see you in my next video.